How to fix update error in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run, type in services.msc. After that, press on OK or simply press on Enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, search for Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update, as you'll find it below Windows Time and above Windows Update Medic. Simply right click on Windows Update and then go to Properties. After you click on Properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Startup Type, you'll find all these options. Make sure it's Automatic Delayed Start. Apply it and then press on OK. After that, you can simply restart it. After restarting it, refresh your device and you're good to go. This is how to fix update error in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.